Sometimes it makes sense to divide up a complex groom into multiple parts. Each sub-groom can be edited easier and quicker in isolation. Hair within each sub-groom can have a completely different operator stack. Some sub-grooms may be animated while others remain static, etc. Ornatrix for Cinema 4D enables this workflow by allowing to merge these sub-grooms, each existing as a separate shape in the scene, into one groom shape. Let's quickly see how to do that. Create or open a scene containing multiple Ornatrix groom shapes on the same base mesh, for example, on the same character. Hide the second groom. Select one of the sub-grooms and add a merge operator at the top of the stack. In the merge operator, click the eyedropper button to select the other shape in the object list dialog. Both sub-grooms are now part of one groom. However, we have a problem. The grooms overlap. Change the overlap resolution option to remove. Note how the overlapping hair is gone. You may need to adjust the distance threshold parameter to get the correct result. There is still a sharp transition between the two merged grooms. Change the overlap resolution option to blend. Now the sub-grooms are smoothly merged together and the sharp transitions are gone. As with almost all things in Ornatrix, the merging is fully procedural and non-destructive. You can modify the groom below or above the merge point at any time. So far, we've merged one groom into another. Let's also see how to create a separate main groom and merge the two sub-grooms into it. Remove the previous merge operator. Create a default furball on top of the same character. Remove all operators except guides from mesh and hair from guides, and change the strand counts to 0 to get an empty hair groom. Add a merge operator. Use the eyedropper button to add the other two sub-grooms as we did before. Try this workflow on your next project, and please subscribe and join our Discord channel for updates and new tutorials.